Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering a white banner, black and orange dyes, and a loom. This gives you full control over contrast and beak color. Place the white banner in the loom and apply a black base to block out the penguin's body shape. This establishes negative space, so later layers read clearly. Once done, rotate the banner on a wall to preview scale and make sure your lighting shows contrast. This helps avoid color blends that muddy the penguin silhouette. Now you sculpt features. Apply a white oval or inverted chevron centered lower on the banner to form the belly. This contrast defines the penguin's chest against the black body. Next, layer subtle gray or darker black trims to suggest wing edges and head shading while keeping a crisp outline so the silhouette stays readable from distance. Then, add small orange shapes near the center top for the beak and low corners for feet. These colored accents create recognizable facial and foot landmarks. Finish by adding eyes. Place tiny black dots on small white spots or use a gray overlay to avoid overpowering the face. Subtlety keeps the banner readable. Once complete, hang the banner at different distances and lighting so you can verify silhouette recognition and tweak saturation or edges if details blur. If something looks wrong, make a copy of the white base banner, then reapply each pattern one at a time. This stepwise reapplication isolates mistakes and prevents redoing the entire design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.